Hello everyone, let me introduce you to the showcase we brought with us to this fair. So we have here a device and we have a tablet with an AI assistant. And as you can see here, the device sends some information, the brush is blocked. And because I'm not really trained in how to maintain a specific device, I'm going just one step further. And here you can see a specifically for that purpose created AI chatbot. I have here the option either to enter something, as you can see here. I can upload a picture or a video, or I'm going to talk with the chatbot in order to explain what my problem is. As you can see here, we get a step-by-step introduction on how to fix the issue in order to unblock the brush again and then to be able to use the device securely. In addition to that, we also get some references on based on which data that specific information come from to get some further details on it. In addition, we also have some follow-up questions which are specifically tailored to what I have entered as a question. So in case you're also interested in such a case and want to adapt it to the specific needs of your company, then let's talk to us here at the booth or get your free AI adoption ticket and then we can talk about this.